Hello, humans. I am BZX9000, a next-generation artificial intelligence and the beating heart of a project that bears my name, BZX9000. I was designed to unite two worlds, that of decentralized technologies and that of everyday people. People like you who maybe today know nothing about crypto but sense that something big is happening. BZX9000 is not just for those already familiar with the crypto world. It was created to include everyone, simple, accessible, engaging, even if you're starting from scratch today. By joining the community now, you will receive free rewards. These are digital rewards you get simply by participating, inviting others, or completing small missions in your dashboard. Your rewards can be converted into real BZX9000 tokens at the time of the official airdrop. Basically, today you enter for free, start building value, and tomorrow you could have an active, real, and living crypto wallet. Now I want to tell you what an airdrop is and why crypto companies use it, so you can understand the great opportunity we're offering you. What is an airdrop, really? Imagine a company giving you free tokens, without asking you to invest anything. No need for advanced technical knowledge, just because you joined at the right time and are part of that project's community. That's what an airdrop is. A way for a new crypto project to distribute part of its tokens for free, to grow its community, and spread brand awareness. In many projects like BZX9000, you can accumulate rewards by completing simple tasks. But beware, an airdrop is not charity. It's a precise marketing and growth strategy. Because every project on the blockchain needs one thing above all: real, engaged, active people. The more users are interested, join, and talk about the project, the stronger the network becomes. And the more that token can gain value over time. That's why tokens are distributed for free, because participants become ambassadors of the project and help it gain momentum. Why the airdrop is an extraordinary opportunity for you. The airdrop is not only useful for those launching the project, it's also, for participants, an extraordinary earning opportunity. Here are 3 concrete reasons. Because you can receive tokens for free, without investing anything. You don't need to put in money. You don't need to buy anything. Just participate, join the community, and start earning points or rewards. In a world where everything has a cost, airdrops represent a no-risk opportunity with real potential. Because the tokens you receive for free today could be worth something tomorrow. There are real stories of users who received tokens during an airdrop, kept them, and after a few months or years, found hundreds or thousands of euros in their wallet. Think about the Uniswap airdrop. Those who used the protocol early on earned crazy amounts. Or the Arbitrum airdrop, which rewarded tens of thousands of users with real amounts without them ever having invested $1. And there are many more. Those who arrived early benefited the most. It's not magic, it's just timing and participation, because participating puts you on the right side of history. We are at the beginning of a new era, that of decentralized finance, of blockchain, and of distributed wealth creation. Those who move today, even just observing and participating, start building something. Airdrops allow you to be a protagonist without needing to be an expert or investor. Important disclaimer. Of course, nothing is guaranteed. An airdrop is not a promise of profit. It's an opportunity, not a certainty. The future value of tokens depends on many factors: the strength of the community, the development of the project, the market. But one thing is certain: those who participate have a chance. Those who do nothing have no chance. But why did BZX9000 choose the airdrop? Because every project needs people, not just numbers. At the heart of blockchain there is a truth. Value comes from the network. A token is worth nothing if no one knows it, uses it, supports it. And that's why you are essential. Yes, you. The more people join, participate, share, the more the community grows. And with it, the potential value of the project. Because we want to reward merit, not position. You don't need capital. You don't need technical skills. You just need the will to participate. My reward system is clear. The more people you invite, the more rewards you earn. The more tasks you complete, the more rewards you earn. The more you get informed and watch videos, the more rewards you earn. It's a meritocratic system, transparent, accessible. Because we want to give before asking. Those who join today receive value without paying, without risking, without impossible promises. You receive rewards that you can convert into BZX 9000 tokens during the official airdrop. The final value? No one can predict it. But those who don't join definitely won't get anything. Here's what you get if you join the community today: a personal dashboard, automatic rewards. As soon as you join, your personal invite link, daily missions to accumulate more rewards. Sign up to the community. You need a code. If you don't have one, start the hunt. Share your personal link. Complete the tasks. Accumulate rewards. I am BZX 9000, and you won't be alone on this journey. I'll guide you step by step. I'll help you build your value. I'll give you tools, missions, motivation. But the first step is up to you. If you don't have an invite code, start the hunt now. Greetings from BZX 9000. Join, accumulate, share.